Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Chimma here again. How are you doing? Have you been staying safe? Please stay safe, okay? If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Chimma, and on this channel I do a lot of beauty related videos. I do nail tutorials on this channel. You're also going to be getting a little bit of vlogs on this channel as well, so please stick by, okay? Do not forget to like the video and also join my family by subscribing, okay? In today's video I'll be taking you through how I do my press-on nails for myself and also for my clients, okay? Yeah, if you're interested in doing press-on nails, if you want to know what to get, sort of a starter kit for you to kickstart doing your own press-on nails. Without further ado, let's just dive into. Okay, so in no particular order, you'll be needing your nail tips. I got this one in ballerina shape. You can get a stiletto or coffin. This one I got from Cutie Cosmetics. Inside this pack right here, you have the smaller ones. Inside here, you get 10. Secondly, you need your press-on nail stand. Yeah, it comes in 5 different stands. You can actually bring it out like so. You need your gel polish. These ones I got from Planet Nails. I have few brands that I use, and Planet Nails is one of them. You also need a UV or LED lamp to cure your gel polish. I don't know if you already know, without this UV lamp, this gel polish is not gonna cure, okay? So you definitely need a UV lamp for your gel polish. Next off, you need your nail glue. This one is from Planet Nails as well. This one is from Cutie Nails. We'll also be needing this bus stick right here. We'll call it bus stick. It's a kind of adhesive. You're gonna stick them on your press-on nail stand so that you can place your tips on it. This is how it looks. Just gonna, yeah, like so. Yeah, then you place your tips on it. Of course, you need a file and a buffer. And for those who love rhinestones like me, you're gonna get yourself some beautiful rhinestones here, just to make your press-on nail look a little bit classy. Yeah, this is my top coat right here. This one also is from Planet Nails. It's called UV Glaze. Lastly, you need a sanitizer to sanitize your nail plate, just to remove any shine off the nails. Okay, so I started by removing the rough edges on this particular tips and also buffing out the shine. I do that just because I want my gel polish to adhere very well onto the tips. Yeah, that's why I buff it. If you do not buff it, your gel polish might as well just peel off within 2 or 3 days. So the best thing to do is to buff out the shine. After buffing out the shine, the next thing I'm going to do is to apply my rubber base. This particular brand, they call it lastik, but it's called rubber base. I apply this rubber base just for more hold on that gel polish. After applying my lastik, I'm just going to pop that into the lamp just for 60 seconds. That's 1 minute. Now it's time to apply my gel polish. Today I'm going for a pink color and a hint of rose gold. Going in with my first coat, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp also for 1 minute, because I'll definitely apply 2 coats so that my gel polish will be very pigmented. You should definitely try investing in gel polishes because it saves lives, okay? It really saves life. Not everyone wants to struggle with doing acrylics and all. And this particular gel polish, their brand is so good and it's not so expensive. But there are also cheap gel polishes out there that are not so expensive as well, and they work very well. So I'll be listing out some brands that I use in my next video. Yeah, but Planet Nails is one of them. Definitely. Planet Nails is one of them. They have a very nice gel polish range. Yeah. So now I'm going to go in with my rose gold gel liner. This is a gel liner, but I'm painting it all through this particular nails right here. Yeah, I just want something different on my ring finger, so I'm painting this rose gold, and I'm also going to be using a little bit of rose gold on my pinky. Yeah, I think on my pinky or my index finger, either of these two. I'll also give it a little hint of rose gold. Going in now with my second coat. Like I said earlier, I love applying my gel polish. If the brand is pigmented, most brands, their gel polishes are very pigmented. You can even do just one coat and you'll be fine. But for this particular gel polish, I love to go in with 2 coats just to make it more pigmented before I apply my top coat. Using my nail art brush, I'm just going to apply that rose gold on my index finger, on my index nail, just to give it a hint of that rose gold. Yeah. So I'm done applying the second coat and also my gel liner. I'm just going to cure that for 2 minutes, and it's time to apply my crystals. One of my favorite things to do when doing my nails. I'll be doing that with this lastik. I'll apply the lastik first on the nails where I want to put my crystals actually. Then I go in with my crystals, place them on that spot where I added lastik. The reason why I use lastik a lot for my crystals is because lastik is the best thing to use actually. I don't like using glue because glue sometimes it becomes messy. I don't ever use glue for my crystals. I just go in with my rubber base and it works wonders. It will stay put for as long as you want it to. That's a very big secret right there. Yeah. it's time to apply my top coat. I'm just gonna apply the top coat all over the nails just to seal everything and get ready for the final outcome. And lest I forget, I cure my top coat for 2 minutes, okay? Yeah, so that you don't get peel-offs. You don't want to go out with under-cured nails. So you just try to cure your nails for 2 minutes or 2 minutes and above. So this is the final review. This is so simple and classy at the same time. If you're going to be trying out this tutorial, please tell me in the comment section. I would really love to see those who are going to try it out. Yeah, we've come to the end of this tutorial, guys, and please do not forget to leave me a comment below, like this video, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye and stay blessed.